Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Code. In this video, we will see the correct use of with and by through concepts. I strongly believe that you have been encountering these two words from the very first day you started understanding English. We will practice some questions based on these concepts so that it gets printed in your conscious mind. I have also made a Hindi version of this session. You can watch it from the playlist or the link provided in description box. Let's start the session. And here is concept 1. It is used with tools or non-living objects. And what is tool? Any object or anything that helps us in our work that is considered to be tool by us. That is tool. So we can understand this concept through example, and here is the first example. He will cut the cake with knife. He will cut the cake with knife. Here knife is a tool, so we will use with before knife. Okay, similarly you can see the second example, that is I am writing a letter with my lucky pen. So here pen is also a tool, so we will use with. Is that clear? We'll proceed to concept 2, and it says it is used with any person. It is very easier to understand through examples. First example is Rohan was with his friends in the party. Okay, with his friends. He was with his friends, and it simply denotes the person, so we will use with. In the very second example, my father was with his boss in London last week, and it is also mentioned the name of a person. Okay, so we will definitely use with in this sentence. Concept 3. It is used to add something when you want something extra, or when you want to add something. Okay, so let's take an example. My friend is looking for a car with good mileage. Means my friend is looking for a car. Okay, that's a complete sentence. Okay, or that's a need of himself, but he wants a good mileage along with the car. Okay, so this is the extra thing he wants to add. Okay, in his order or demand, so we will use with. We will go for with. In the second example, Rakul ordered a pizza with extra cheese toppings. She ordered a pizza, that is one thing, but she added some extra cheese toppings. Okay, so we will use with here in this sentence. Let's see concept 4. It says that with is used to express emotional attachment. Let's take an example. I am with you in this time of distress. Means it is clearly mentioned that someone is in a problem, and a person, or it is mentioned here I, and I am going to help him. Okay, in that problem. So it is emotional attachment mentioned in this sentence, so we will use with. Similarly, we can see second example. My sister sent me the Rakhi with love. Love shows the emotional attachment, so we will definitely use with. All right. Okay, we will discuss the concepts related with by, where we can use by in sentences. Okay, so number 1 is it is used to show the method of action. means what is the method of doing something. Okay, how is anything done? We can easily understand through example number 1. I will go to office by bike. Okay, so action is being done by which thing? That is bike. So we will definitely use by in this sentence. It will correct here. Similarly, in second sentence, my uncle will visit Jaipur by flight. So here the method of action is through flight. Okay, so we will definitely use by. By will be the correct preposition here in this sentence. All right, let's see concept 2. It says used to show closeness, okay, or proximity. So let's take an example. I parked my car by the school. Okay, I parked my car nearby the school. Okay, the actual meaning of this sentence is near the school. Okay, near the school. Closeness means nearness. So we will use by as the preposition in this sentence. Let's take another example. John passed by the park a few seconds ago. So he was nearby the park. Okay, so we will use by in this sentence. By will be the correct preposition in this sentence. Concept 3. It is used to denote time, maximum time. Okay, means something is done before that interval of time. Let's take an example. Example A. I have to reach college by 9 a.m. Means at any cost I have to reach the college by 9 a.m. So it is the foundation or time limit. So we will definitely use by as a preposition in this sentence. Example B. My brother will go to market by evening. He will definitely go to the market by evening. So evening shows a definite time. So we will use by as a preposition. Concept 4. It is used to choose a person for right work or passive voice. Let's take an example for this concept. I will get it fixed by Mohit. Here Mohit is an expert of something. Okay, he has an experience of something in any field. Okay, so I'll get something fixed by Mohit. So here I am choosing a person for a right work. Okay, let's take another example. The cricket was played by the children. Here you can clearly see the voice, passive voice. Okay, the format of passive voice is very clear here. So we will use by. It is very mandatory to use by in passive voice in any sentence. Concept 5. It is used with reflexive pronoun. Example A. I will repair my laptop by myself. Here myself is reflexive pronoun. Herself. Okay, it is also reflexive pronoun. So before reflexive pronouns we have to use by. All right. So these were the concepts related with by and with. Okay, let's practice some questions. Here question number A. He was standing dash his dog in the metro. What will be the correct preposition here in this gap? Here the correct answer will be with. It is showing that the dog was with him. Okay, that was his dog. It is clearly mentioned here. Next question. Mohit will come to the party dash his bike. Here it is trying to denote or refer to the method of action. Okay, so here by will be the correct answer. We will use by. Next question, question number C. She is repairing the laptop herself. So herself is a reflexive pronoun. So we have to use by before reflexive pronoun. Okay. Next question. I am opening the fan dash screwdriver. And screwdriver is a tool. So with the tool we have to use with. It was the very first concept, if you remember. And question number E. They are passing dash the temple dash their parents. So here they are passing by the temple with their parents. Okay, this will be the correct preposition. Okay, that's all in this session. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click on bell icon. I'll see you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.